Normally put a stop loss and a take profit. Do not ignore them. Even if you are scalping, you should always have self-discipline and a rule. Maybe you can only scalp one trade a day. That is enough. Do not scalp several times. I know in scalping the price moves so fast, but you can have your principles to just scalp one trade a day. No matter how it moves fast, that is it for today. Wait for tomorrow. Overtrading, this can lead to taking too many trades in a day or in a week without high profitability setup, which is so useless and not important. Make sure that trades that you are taking, they should have high profitability setup. Don't just trade and trade because it feels fun or because you are bored.